Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to MLS Online Classroom. Grade 2 Computers Book. Unit number 1 Computers Everywhere. Students, as you know, we have done with the reading in our previous lecture, and today we are going to do the question answers of chapter number 1 Computers Everywhere. Students, all of you open page number 11. First of all, write date and day. Our first question is, what is a computer? And answer is, a computer is an electronic machine which can do many things quickly and accurately. Our second question is, write any two things that you can do with a computer at home. And the answer is, we can play games on the computer. Second point, we can watch cartoons on the computer. Here you all can see the picture. Kids are playing games on the computer. And here the girl is watching a cartoon. Now come towards page number 12. Our third question is, what does a shopkeeper do on a computer? And answer is, a shopkeeper prepares bills on a computer. You all can see this picture. Now come towards question number 4. Our question number 4 is, how does a computer help a pilot? And the answer is, a computer help a pilot in flying the airplanes. A picture is attached for you. Here is it. Hope you have done with the question answers. Very good. Now students, this is your homework. What you have to do in your homework, you will learn question number 1 and 2 of unit number 1 on page number 11. Thank you. Have a nice day.